The behavior of Budgie after mating. A female Budgie put herself in the nesting box for laying eggs, and eat mineral blocks and cuttlefish. The abdomen and vent of a Budgie are swollen due to the development of eggs. Besides, the Budgie will probably drop larger waist than usual with some different hue, but it is normal because she feeds upon the protein and minerals. You may like to offer small portions of cucumber, lettuce, beetroot, tomato, rocket, celery, and pepper. Grass and grains are in the same category and make up 50% of your bird's intake. They are the Budgie's staple food in the wild. If you have a garden or access to open spaces, here are some grasses that you can forage for free and feed the Budgies. Budgies can eat green beans, carrot, peas in pods, cabbage, cauliflower, sweet corn, and sweet potato. This should lightly cooked and your Budgie would only want a teaspoonful. Wild budgerigars are ground feeding seed and grass feeders. Grains and grasses provide the bulk of their intake in the wild. They move in flocks, often thousands in number, and fly enormous distances in their native Australia. Parrots. The nugget-shaped pellets are made from grains and vegetables and easily digestible. The formula is fortified with essential minerals and vitamins that will meet your Budgie's various needs better than an all-seed diet. Grasses give the birds hours of pleasure. There is no surer way to make your budgerigars happy than to provide a generous supply of underripe, succulent grass seeds. When the seeds are given to my birds, they stop whatever they are doing, fall silent, descend on them, and absorb themselves in eating. The effort of gathering the food is more than rewarded by the touching sight of the bird's deep contentment. Different habitats offer different grass species, and although most individual species only have a short seeding period, the full spectrum of grasses can provide green seeds for your budgerigars for some 5 months in a good season. I rarely collect fully ripe grass seeds as my birds are unenthusiastic about them, but your birds may respond differently, so try everything on them. They may become bored if you give them the same grass species for weeks on end, but ringing the changes with lots of different varieties will keep their interest alive. Personality. Budgerigars are, very generally speaking, accepting of humans and other birds, but should never be housed with a bird other than another budgerigar. Care should be taken even when placing two budgies together, as they can do serious harm to one another if they do not get along. Budgies need to stretch their wings. Head bobbing is part of a budgie's body language. Budgies need a selection of toys. Budgies love their bells. Budgies need something to chew on. Choose company for a contented pair of budgies. A budgie preening. Mutual preening is all part of the bonding process.